So in this, we are going to discuss what you mean by business organization, definition of business organization, characteristics of business organization, objectives of business organization. So what do you mean by business organization? The term business organization describes how businesses are structured and how their structure helps them to meet their goals. In general, businesses are designed to focus on either generating profit or improving society. When a business focuses on generating a profit, it is known as for profit organization. When an organization focuses on improving the social good through the art, education, healthcare, and some other area, it is known as non-profit organization, and it is not typically referred to as a business. According to Coons and O'Donnell, the establishment of authority relationship will provision for coordination between them both vertically and horizontally in the enterprise structure. These authors view organization as a coordinating point among various persons in business. So these are the characteristics of business organization: economic activity, buying and selling, continuous process, profit motive, risk and uncertainties, creative and dynamic, customer satisfaction, social activity. First one, economic activity. The business is an economic activity of production and distribution of goods and services. It provides employment opportunities in different sectors like banking, insurance, transport, industries, and trade, etc. It is an economic activity concerned with the creation of utilities for the satisfaction of human values. When we see the buying and selling, the basic activity of any kind of a business is trading. The business involves buying of raw material, plants, machinery, stationery, and property, etc. On the other hand, it sells the finished goods to the consumer, wholesaler, retailer, etc. The business makes available various goods and services to the different section of the society. Continuous process. The business is not a single time activity because it is in a continuous process of production, distribution of goods and services. A single transaction of a trade cannot be termed as a business. A business should be conducted regularly in order to grow and gain regular returns. Profit motive. Profit is an indicator of a success and failure of any kind of a business. It is a difference between income and expenses of the business. The primary goal of a business is usually to obtain the highest possible level of a profit through the production and the sale of goods and services. It is a return on investment. Profit acts as a driving force behind all the business activities. Risk and uncertainties. Risk is defined as the effect of uncertainty arising on the objective of a business. Risk is associated with every business. Business is exposed to type of risk, namely insurable and non-insurable. Insurable risk is predictable. Creative and dynamic. Modern business is creative and dynamic in nature. Business firm has to come out with the creative ideas, approaches, and concept for production and distribution of goods and services. It means to bring things in a fresh, new, and inventive way. When we see the customer satisfaction, the face of business has changed from traditional concept to the modern concept. Nowadays, a business adopt a consumer-oriented approach. Customer satisfaction is ultimate of any kind of activity, business activity. Modern business believes in satisfying the customers by providing a quality product at a reasonable price. It has emphasis not only on a profit but also on a customer satisfaction. When we see the social activity, business is a social economic activity. Both the business and the society are independent. Modern business runs in the area of social responsibility. Business has some responsibility towards the society, and in turn, it needs the support of various social groups like investors, employees, customers, creditors, etc. By making the goods available to the various sections of the society, business perform an important social function and meet the social needs. When we see the objectives of the business organization, we can see the following list of objectives. That is economic objective, social objective, human objective, national objective, and global objective. Economic objective of a business refer to the objective of earning profit, those which have a direct impact on the profit earning or objective of the business. Some of the main economic objectives of a business are earning of adequate profit, exploring a new market and creation of more customers, growth and expansion of a business operation, making innovations and improvement in the goods and services, making use of available resources in the best possible manner. Social objectives. Social objectives of a business are those which are desired to be achieved for the benefit of the society. Some of the major social objectives are production and supply of a quality of goods and services to the society, making goods available at reasonable price, avoidance of unfair practices like hoarding, block marketing, overcharging, etc. Contributing towards the general welfare and uplift of the society, ensuring fair return to the investors, and taking steps in the direction of the consumer education. When we see the human objectives of a business primarily refer to the objectives aimed at safeguarding the interest of its employees and their welfare. Some of the major human objectives are providing a fair remuneration and incentive to the employees, arrangement of a better working condition and proper working environment for the employees, providing a job satisfaction by making the job interesting and challenging, putting the right person in the right job. When we see the national objective of a business are the objectives of fulfilling the national, global, and aspiration like creation of employment opportunities, promotion of social justice, produce and supply of goods in accordance with the national interest and priorities, payment of taxes and other dues honestly and regularly, helping the state in the maintaining a law and order by promoting a good industry relation. When we see the global objectives of a business are the objectives of facing the challenges of global market. Some of the global objectives are making a variable global objective competitive goods and services, reducing disparities among rich and poor nation by expanding its operation. Let us see some of the example of business organization. If we see the Apple Incorporation, it is a type of what kind of a Apple Incorporation? The type of a business organization. It is a corporation which is coming under the public limited company. The industry which it belongs to is technology, consumer electronic, which is founded in the year of 1976, 1st April. The founder is Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne. It is headquarters at California, USA. If we see the product and services produced by the Apples are iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, software, Mac OS, then iTunes, and services like Apple Music, iCloud, Apple TV. So the key features of Apple Incorporations are operates globally, publicly traded on NASDAQ and AAPL, then hierarchical organizational structure focus on innovation, design, and user experience. So this is also one of the business organization which is focused on profit organization. So in this class, we have discussed what are the different types of business organization, what you mean by business organization first of all, what do you mean by profit organization and non-profit organization. There are a lot of profit organization as well as lot of non-profit organizations are available in the current scenario. There are a lot of charities and foundations are available and NGOs are available under the non-profit organization category. So these kind of NGOs are always helping people and for the development of our society.